Hi, my name is Suzanne, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Miracle Sheets before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Miracle Sheets is only sold on the official website. Due to the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Miracle Sheets without even realizing it. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Miracle Sheets and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Miracle Sheets has helped thousands of users and it will work for you too. After many tests, researchers identified that there is a unique fabric formula with powerful components, like silver-infused fibers, temperature-regulating weave, moisture-wicking threads, hypoallergenic materials, bacteria-resistant design, premium clean and cool fabric, and soft luxury cotton blend. These components work together to target the root causes of bad sleep, such as overheating, odor buildup, bacteria accumulation, and discomfort, helping you stay cool, dry, and sleep on fresher sheets every single night. Whether you struggle with sweating, waking up hot, morning stuffiness, or sheets that get dirty too fast, Miracle Sheets helps improve your sleep from the inside out, right at the root of the problem. No more relying on heavy laundry routines or uncomfortable fabrics. This is a premium alternative that goes deep into what affects your sleep quality. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Miracle Sheets, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each person will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Miracle Sheets for 30 nights, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also important for you to know, Miracle Sheets has no side effects since it uses safe certified fabrics. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Miracle Sheets from. And remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the usage exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your sleep environment acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Miracle Sheets actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.